Once upon a time, there were three friends, Simran, Ali, and Naima. They lived in a small village on the outskirts of a large forest. Simran was a brave and adventurous girl who loved exploring new places. Ali was a kind and intelligent boy who loved reading and learning new things. Naima was a shy and introverted girl who loved spending time in her garden, tending to her plants. One day, Simran suggested that they go on a hike into the forest. Ali was excited to learn more about the plants and animals in the forest, while Naima was hesitant and worried about the dangers that might lie ahead. Despite Naima's concerns, they set off into the forest. As they were walking, they came across a group of animals who were in distress. A family of birds had lost their nest, and their babies were in danger. Simran, being the brave one, immediately stepped forward to help. Ali used his knowledge to build a new nest for the birds, while Naima used her gardening skills to collect some flowers to make the new nest look beautiful. The three friends continued their hike, and soon they came across a river. The river was wide and deep, and they didn't know how to cross it. Simran, being the adventurous one, suggested that they swim across. Ali was hesitant, knowing that the currents could be strong, but Naima thought of a safer alternative. She suggested that they build a small boat out of the nearby logs to cross the river safely. As they reached the other side, they were greeted by a group of villagers who were amazed by their teamwork and kindness. The villagers asked the three friends to stay for a feast in their honor. As they sat around the fire, eating and laughing, Simran, Ali, and Naima realized that each of them had unique skills and strengths that helped them overcome the challenges they faced. The moral of the story is that everyone has something valuable to offer. By working together and respecting each other's strengths, we can accomplish great things and make the world a better place.